So guys, let me come closer. Are you seeing this? Very close to my eyebrows. Hey guys, it's your baby girl Evie. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a hair oil. What the hair oil I have it is me. I think it's called Gavia Amla oil. I don't really know how to pronounce it, guys. So this hair oil, it works effectively. If you need your edges, I just use it for my edges. I can see the effect. You can see it. Let me come closer. And are you guys seeing this? Almost up to my eyebrows. I'm not using it for my eyebrows, but actually you guys can see it. This hair oil makes your hair grow rapidly, and the hair will be not be too soft. The way it is not so hard, but the hair is just perfect. I recommend this hair oil for everybody. Guys can use it as your beard oil. Yes, you can use it for your beard oil too. Your beards will grow well. You understand, those that need their beards to grow well, and it can also moisturize the beards, of course. But me, I use it for my edges, and I can see the effect, and I'm loving it, guys. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, then comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then thanks for watching. Bye. Too fine, you too fine, you too bad. Feeling myself, I'm feeling myself now. Feeling myself.